Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Floral and Greenhouses, and I had a oopsie today. I missed one of my containers and it looked really bad. Now, this is about an hour later, it's coming back to life, but I looked over at it and I absolutely missed it this morning, and with it being 95 degrees in the heat, it was like, I mean, just absolutely wilted and looked like death. You know, it's a Saturday, we close up at noon, so we spent the entire afternoon in the pool, and that's where we were floating. And so this guy got missed from my normal watering routine this morning, and absolutely forgot to water this one. So here's the question: what do you do when you have that kind of scenario? Okay, I've done it. I know you've done it. A lot of you told me, like, yeah, we went camping and it was 90 degrees, and they come back and your hanging baskets look terrible. Yes. So how to bring it back from the brink of death? So what we want to do is give it a little bit of water, all right? What we don't want to do is what I call the knee-jerk reaction, and that's where we just take a bunch of water and dump it on the plant, okay? If it was starving for water and then we dump 5 gallons of water on it, we're going to kill it the other way by drowning it. So what we want to do is just go ahead and give it some water. And about an hour ago, I gave it not quite half a gallon. And this is a big container, so I'm not saying give your plants a half gallon. This is a huge container, and that's about the right amount for this great big pot. All right, I gave it about half a gallon, and we just want it to start absorbing that into the roots and start feeding into the plant. And an hour later, it's looking a lot better. This does not look like what it was an hour ago. It was hanging down and everything is just like real spiny. And so it's coming back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through and properly water it. So maybe an hour later, I'm gonna go ahead and water it like what I should have done and get this well saturated, and it'll come right back to life. So what we don't wanna do is the knee-jerk reaction, okay? Yes, you have that moment where you're like, oh my goodness. That's not the time to drown it. That's the time to just give it some water, and sometimes that soil gets so hard that that first amount of water will just shed right off, because the soil will get really tight and it'll just shed that water right off. We have to let that water soak in and grab a little bit of moisture and then start opening up. And then maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour later, we'll come back through and we'll water it again. So don't do the knee-jerk reaction. You're just going to kill it faster, all right? Go through, give it some water. Hour later, give it what it needs to survive. All right, have a great weekend, everybody. See you later.